Hi everyone, I'm doing the scenario of the 4-year-old daughter crying about her clothes for her preschool Valentine party. And the script includes, I'm going to pick up at the end where she states, I don't like you, nobody likes you, not even your own mother likes you. And so in this situation, if I'm using the 5 steps that we learned this week, I would say something like, please don't throw a fit when I'm trying to help you, and please don't say rude things to me. It really gives me a headache. It also hurts my feelings. You can wear your favorite skirt tomorrow and wear the heart pants today. This way you can have both things. Now you can't go to the party till you settle down and stop crying. So you need to stay in timeout until you can figure out how to stop. I know the next time that I try to help you get dressed for something important that you won't throw a fit. I know that you will make good decisions and not say rude things next time I am